Hello everyone. So again, this is Teacher Faith. I will be your vlogger for today about Pawfish. So let me tell you about my story on Pawfish. I've been teaching for almost 3 years sa Pawfish and I'm one of the pioneer na rin. I'm here since pandemic and siya yung unang work na very convenient because you can use your cell phone at the same time. At sobrang gusto ko siya na na-promote ko sa ibang teachers and I help them throughout the journey. There's so many teachers na rin na under my code na naging successful through Palfish. And I'm happy for them. I have a lot of students also na rin sa Palfish. Mula dun sa unang account ko hanggang dito sa pangalawang account ko. So, I have my second account yun. Yung unang account, deactivated na siya. Yung second account, this one is activated pa. And I see the changes talaga sa Palfish uh, from the start up to now. Napakalaki ng difference salary ngayon. That's the lowest, one of the lowest salary na kuha ko din. Aside from 51 talk, I've been into 51 talk din. Naging teacher ako doon and 50 plus yung salary doon. Mas malaki naman sa Palafish pero iba pa rin yung 9U1 dati. Iba pa rin yung almost 70 plus. So, yun yung pagkakaiba nila. So, I'm using here the Palfish Classroom. Ito yung Palfish Classroom kapag gumagamit ka ng laptop. So, I have a tutorial on my other YouTube channel. Kasi itong YouTube channel ko to, bago pa lang siya. So, I'm pursuing my vlogging career since this is one of my aim then while working at home. I have another companies which is mga 5 companies sila. So, I've been there for, yung iba mga bago pa sila, but I will work on it at the same time while working on Palfish too. So Palfish helps me a lot in terms of financial and it helps to my career as teacher. Sorry, you can hear some noise. 3 hours na lang bago yung klase ko ulit. But I'm going to have this vlog for all those teachers na gusto malaman yung update din. Kung nasa Palfish pa ba ako, yes po, nasa Palfish pa ako. As of now, gusto kong mag-ipon pa because I'm planning also to have another way, source of income kasi mahirap din mag-settle kapag pababa yung company. So you need to produce another extra income para hindi ka matenga din. And while you're working, you have another way of earning money. That's it. So, for me, convenience si Palfish actually hanggang ngayon. Kaya nagtatagal pa din ako kasi syempre, cellphone lang ang gamit at nakakatulong siya din sa mga starting teachers like you, if you're watching this and you want to start as a teacher, as ESL, maganda siya. Maraming benefit din kasi maliit yung cellphone. Yung cellphone lang gamit mo plus itong cellphone na to, kasama ko talaga to mula college ako. So, nagamit ko siya hanggang sa pagtuturo sa Palfish. And I could say, uh, yun yung kagandahan ni Palfish sa iba talagang company. At hindi mo kailangan ng yung wired na isasaksak mismo dun sa laptop. Ito, kahit data connection, pwede talaga siya. So, that's it. So, yun lang sa mga nagtatanong kung nasa Palfish pa ako. Opo, nasa Palfish ako at nakakasold ng lesson. As of now, yung lesson ko kapag nakasold ako, 91 siya. Equivalent to 700 pesos. So, ang taas niya, kaya masaya ako. Nung isang araw, naka 2 lessons sold ako. Kaya, sobrang saya ko dahil it is equivalent to 1,400. Malaki na yun. Tapos, I have 15 lesson that time. So, almost 2,000 yung kinita ko din ng araw na yun. So, thank you so much. Ang dami kong show dito sa vlog na 'to. Pasensya na kayo, hindi ako gano'n ka-expert since I'm starting again to manage my vlog. So everywhere. Bye-bye. Thank you.